Hi, our tutorial is called Organizing a Medical Imaging Challenge in 2020's Practical Considerations. I'm Khrystyna Faryna, a PhD candidate at Radboud University Medical Center and a member of Grand Challenge support team. So Grand Challenge is a platform that is widely used among MICCAI community to organize challenges and host algorithms. And this field is rapidly evolving, so these days there are many tools available to challenge organizers, but also the standard of what is called or considered a good quality challenge has changed. So in this tutorial, we want to highlight certain things that can help you make your challenge more impactful these days. And it consists of following parts. Firstly, things to consider before organizing a challenge in medical imaging. Secondly, common pitfalls of challenge organizers. And thirdly, a hands-on tutorial on how to set up a challenge on grandchallenge.org platform. So we hope that you'll find this tutorial useful. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. And have a nice day.